Boom, what's up guys? Welcome to Sweet Outdoors. Well, our weekend plans aren't going as planned. We got a storm system coming in. It's been hit and miss all day with the rain. The wind is crazy. It's overcast, it's sunny, it's cloudy, it's sunny, it's overcast. I mean, can't do nothing. Tried to go out the property today. It was windy, it was sunny. I didn't see nothing. I saw 3 turkeys, 2 deer. That was it. Didn't get a chance to shoot the new arrow gun like I wanted to. It is what it is. So we're going to try to bring you a cooking video, but it's a different one. Let me get all my yummy ingredients gathered up, and we'll be ready to do this. Are you ready? I am. Okay, it's a slow cooker meal of sort. We are going to attempt to cook garlic, butter, lemon, shrimp, lemon, butter, garlic, whatever you want to call it. We're going to try to cook it in here. You've seen me cook the hot dogs. I've done beef stew in here with rice. I've done meatballs, all that stuff, and it gets it up nice and hot. I mean, I did the beef stew the other day. Left it in there. You know, I was at work. I was in the truck while I was working on stuff for like 2 hours. Man, I come back, I almost burnt my damn tongue. It was so hot. So I know we'll have no problem doing this. I got a small thing of cocktail shrimp. So peeled, deveined, tail on. So this should work out perfect. Our garlic, butter, and herb. Butter, garlic, and herb. Fresh squeezed lemon juice. And we're going to kick it up a notch. We're going to use some Dan-O's spicy. So let me get you set up, and we'll throw this bad boy together. Hold on. If you don't mind doing me a favor while we're getting everything ready so we can do this, go ahead and hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that notification button. That way you're made aware next time video drops. Give me that thumbs up. Check us out on Facebook, The Sweet Outdoors. Check us out on TikTok, The Sweet Outdoors. Let's get back to the scheduled program. All right, guys, we got her plugged in, and we're going to use one of our little pans. That way, I don't have to wash this. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take some garlic butter. Go ahead and put in there. Then, we're going to take our fresh squeezed lemon juice. Put some of that in there. Then we are going to open up our fresh caught shrimp. That is not a lie. I caught these in the store. And we're not going to use cocktail sauce as part of this concoction. So, nice shrimp. Just going to take them and lay them in. I've already got the lunchbox plugged in, so it's going to start warming up already. And place all of our shrimp in here nice and good. Some more. Last one. It's almost a dozen. I didn't count them, but there's enough for this test anyway. I didn't want to waste a whole batch of shrimp on this in case it didn't work. But if it does work, I have another recipe that we're going to try probably tomorrow. So, I'm thinking maybe a little bit more butter, just a tad. That ought to be sufficient. I believe we're good on the lemon juice as well. Now we're going to add our kick, our Dan-O's spicy. Because, well, we like spicy. Alright. Check this out, guys. What? Yes. Alright. We're going to put our lid on. Lock her down. And we're going to check it in 30 minutes. We'll check it in 30 minutes and see where we're at. See if we need to cook it a little bit longer or not. And I hope this works. So stick around, guys. All right. Been about 30 minutes. Let's check it out. It's warm. And I can smell it. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. Oh, that looks absolutely delicious. Time out. Okay. Well, stir it around a little bit. Oh my goodness, that looks incredible. Yes. I am so sure that this is ready to eat. Let me get her put in a bowl or something, and we'll bring you back to test this stuff out. It's in a bowl. I forgot. Oh man, this stuff looks so good. Oh man, no more cold sandwiches for lunch. Fast food and stuff like that. I mean, this is great, guys. Oh man, and it is hot. It is hot. Look at that. Oh my God. This is delicious, guys. Perfect. Perfect. I really hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed this. Just more ideas that you can do with your electric lunchbox. Think outside the box when you buy something. See if you can get that multi-purpose item. This is great. This is a game changer for sure, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Be safe. God bless. Get outside. I'm going to sit right here and I'm going to eat this shrimp. This is awesome, guys. Peace.